Hey Maths Legends, today we're looking at percentages with calculators. So we're going to actually look at using our calculators and working out a percentage of a quantity given, like a total amount. The reason we're doing this is quicker, it's simpler, it's easier, and if you know how to do it, it'll just be like straight in, straight out. So if I'm going to be successful at this, one thing I need to remember is that percentage means parts of 100. What I have to be able to do is take my percentage and turn it into a decimal. And I do that by dividing the percentage by 100. That means that then all I have to do then is remember that of means multiply, and then I multiply my decimal by the total. So for an example, if it was 50% of 300, I would change 50% into a decimal, and then I would multiply it by 300, and that would give me my answer. Sounds pretty easy, and if I have my calculator, and I probably should have written on that, you must have a calculator if you're going to be successful at doing percentages with a calculator. So here's we got three examples. We've got 50% of 300, as I said. So I'm going to get my calculator out. And the first thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to type into my calculator, as simple as this, 50, and I'm going to divide it by 100 because I know that it's parts of 100. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by my total, which is 300. Now, if you remember, I said that the of means multiply. Now, if I do all of that and I go 50 divided by 100, I would end up getting 0.5, and I times that by 300, and I should get 150. Now, if I move on to my next one, same thing. I go 10% divided by 100. Remember, my of means times, and I do my total, which is 70. So I'm going to go 10% of 10% divided by 100 is 0.1. Times that by 7. So what is 0.1 of 70? And the answer is 7. The last one here, I go 25 divided by 100. Multiply means of 44, and then I'm going to say, okay, my answer then is 11 when I write into the calculator. See, it's pretty simple. It is, as long as you follow those steps. Here's your ones to do. There's three there, three real quick ones. I'd love to see these in your notes this week. To start off, you go 75 divided by 100, multiply it by 200. Then do the steps over and over, writing your answers down. If you need to, write the steps down on your page, and let's have a look at that in a minute. So stop the video now. Righto, so the first one, you should have typed in 75 divided by 100 times that by 200. Now that would then mean that if I'm looking at that one there, it would end up being 150. The next one, I would go 30 divided by 100, and then I would then multiply that by 80, and your answer should have been 24. The last one here, I'm going to go 40 divided by 100. I'm then going to multiply that by 900, and your answer should be 360. Righto, guys, keep using your calculator. Remember that your percentage divided by 100, of means times, multiply it by your total, and you'll get your answer. Don't forget calculators. Make sure they're here for the lesson.